What's up guys, so the new Honor V20 is here, the smartphone that you all are waiting for. And you may be wondered, it starts from a very affordable price tag of $435. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, to get more videos like this. So the package look is quite simple. At the bottom, some details are presented. It comes with up to 8 GB of RAM, and whopping 256 GB of storage. You will get this phone in 3 colors, Magic Night Black, Charm Blue, and Red. Just after opening the lid, you will find the phone itself. Further, there's a leaflet, and the main accessories like the charger and a Type-C cable. Here are some documentation, packed with a SIM ejector pin. A transparent case is also provided, with an aim to protect fingerprint scuffs. So this is a 22.5 watt charger, capable of rapid charging. As expected, it is a Type-C cable, provided in the box. So this is the new Honor V20, beautiful, powerful, and affordable. It has an under-display front camera, which has been seen on Galaxy A8s before. So it has a 6.4-inch IPS LCD screen that supports 2310 x 1080 pixels, Full HD Plus resolution. The front camera space measures only 4.5 mm in diameter, so it doesn't affect the look. The phone has a screen-to-body ratio of 91.82% and a pixel density of 382 ppi. And it really produces punchier and sharper colors. The device has still a headphone jack on the top, with an infrared sensor and a mic. So it is good to see a headphone jack, and there's no compromise at all. On the performance level, the phone has an efficient Kirin 980 chipset to power, with support of up to 8 GB of RAM and whopping 256 GB of storage. It gets fueled by a 4000 mAh of massive battery, which is satisfying. In addition, it has Android 9.0 Pie version, that is flavored with EMUI 9.0. When you will check the back of the device, you will find something that you have never seen. The Honor V20 has a double-sided 3D glass design that has some special finishes. If you will notice, there's a V-shaped texture over here, which appears clear when light reflects on it. The phone look is really interesting and much attractive than other smartphones out there. The V-shaped texture has been achieved by some special techniques. And it is really beautiful, the best design I have ever seen. The phone has a unique horizontal arrangement for its dual camera setup that includes a 48 megapixel primary sensor and a 3D stereo lens. The 48 megapixel lens is a Sony IMX586 sensor, assisted by powerful image processing capabilities. It also carries support for Super Night View mode, with super slow-mo of 960 fps. The other sensor is responsible for augmented reality effects, like motion capture, 3D body shaping and 3D somatosensory games. There are several options here, like creating 3D characters that can mimic the actions of the user. So let's check out some of the comparison photos between this phone and Xiaomi's Mi 8. The Honor V20 also features GPU turbo technology for accelerated GPU performance. And even with intensive gaming, it doesn't get heated up, thanks to 9 liquid cooling system that offers amazing heat dissipation. In addition, Honor V20 can be turned into a supercomputer by connecting a large display, a mouse and a keyboard. You can check other details about this phone in comments below. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Make sure to drop down your opinions, and subscribe our channel for more videos. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.